Hey YouTube, it's Alan Sugano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group, and today's topic is about Windows 11 upgrade. So as you probably know, Windows 10 is going end of life on October 14th of 2025. So, everybody's scrambling to upgrade their existing computers. Now, you may have a computer that passes the check to run Windows 11. Our recommendation is this: if the computer is less than 2 years old, you can probably get away with upgrading it to Windows 11. If it's over 2 years old, you may want to consider purchasing a new computer. And the reason why that is the time it takes to upgrade the computer is about the same as just buying a brand new computer. But more importantly, we run into this where we had to talk to this one client. They were able to get a Windows 10 computer to update to Windows 11. And then we tried to install the latest build of Windows 11 and it went, sorry, your hardware is not supported with this build of Windows 11. So they ended up having to buy a new computer anyway. So they went through the insult and injury of upgrading an existing Windows 10 to Windows 11, and then they found out we couldn't get them to the latest the latest build of Windows 11. So they ended up having to buy a new computer. So now we're just like, you know what? If it's older than 2 years, just buy a new computer. It's going to save you money in the long run, right? Don't. What's the joke? Don't skip over $100 bills to pick up pennies, right? As they say. So anyway, that's our tip of the week. If you need help upgrading your Windows 11 computers, you can send an email to info@adscon.com. We'd love to help you out. If you like this content, please boink, hit the subscribe button, boink, hit the like button. It does help out the channel. Get your Windows 10 machines upgraded before October 14th, please, 2025. Please, please, please. Stay safe out there. Thanks a lot. We'll talk to you soon.